Hi, I'm Bob. We have learned the total product of labor and the marginal product of labor in the past two videos. Today, we will explore the average product of labor. The average product of labor is the ratio of output to the number of workers used to produce that output. Here is the total product curve. At point A, the firm employs 5 workers and produces 630 ice cream cones per day. So the average product at this point is 630 divided by 5, which equals 126 ice cream cones per day. The average product is also equal to the slope of the straight line OA. Similarly, the average product of labor at point B is equal to the total product of labor at this point 2010 divided by the total number of workers 10, which equals 201 ice cream cones per day. It is equal to the slope of the straight line OB. We can calculate the average product of labor at points C and D. The largest average product of labor is at point C, where the slope of the straight line connecting the origin and the point is maximized. We can plot the average product of labor. The average product of labor first rises and then falls as labor increases. When we place the average product curve with the total product curve and the marginal product curve, we find that the three curves are geometrically related. First, the average product of labor curve slopes upward, where the marginal product of labor curve is above it, and slopes downward, where the marginal product curve is below it. If an extra worker adds more output than the average product of the initial workers, the extra worker raises the average product. So when the marginal product is above the average product curve will be upward sloping. This is the part from the origin to point C. If the marginal product of labor for a new worker is less than the former average product of labor, then the average product of labor falls. It is the part after point C where the firm hires more than 15 workers. Because the average product of labor curve rises when the marginal product of labor curve is above it, and the average product of labor curve falls when the marginal product of labor is below it, the average product of labor curves reaches the maximum point C. The marginal product curve crosses the average product curve at the maximum of the average product. That is, the point of intersection is the maximum of the average product of labor. At the intersection, point C, the marginal product equals the average product. We can see this from the total product curve. We know that the slope of the total product curve at a given point is the marginal product. That is, the marginal product equals the slope of a straight line that is tangent to the total product curve at a given point. In our example, the straight line from the origin to point C is tangent to the total product curve. So the slope of that line is the marginal product of labor and the average product of labor. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.